Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best options available for newborns and infants, the MAM Extra Slow Flow Nipples Level 0. If you're looking for the perfect companion to make feeding time easier for your little one, stay tuned. Let's start with what makes these MAM nipples stand out. Designed with skin-soft silicone, these nipples mimic the natural feel of mom's breast, ensuring a smooth transition from breastfeeding to bottle feeding. Now, what sets these apart? These extra slow-flow nipples are ideal for newborns, delivering milk or formula at a steady pace that babies love. The unique flat and symmetrical shape fits comfortably in your baby's mouth, preventing nipple collapse and ensuring a comfortable feeding experience. Parents, you'll appreciate the thoughtful design that includes an anti-colic air valve, reducing air intake and gas for a happier tummy. Plus, they're compatible with all MAM bottles, offering versatility and convenience. In terms of specifics, each pack includes 4 nipples, crafted from high-quality silicone for durability and ease of cleaning. They're BPA-free and designed to last through multiple feedings without losing their shape or effectiveness. Now, you might be wondering why MAM is a trusted brand in baby products. Let's hear from parents who've used these nipples. Many rave about how their babies took to them instantly, thanks to the skin-soft texture. Plus, the easy-to-clean design and compatibility with other MAM products make them a favorite among busy parents. To wrap it up, if you're searching for the best extra slow-flow nipples level 0 for your little one, look no further than MAM. These nipples not only mimic the natural breastfeeding experience but also offer practical features that make feeding time smoother and more enjoyable for both baby and parents. That's all for today's review on the MAM Extra Slow Flow Nipples Level 0. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and parenting tips. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Take care and happy parenting.